Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME C11 2021 to an Android device. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bars. Then type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Then choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. And following that, select Send on Realme and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will only go with this one further, just send and click on Got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and then choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon. On an Android, select Allow and point your camera at the code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!